Welcome to page 9 of your volume packet. On this page, we're going to be calculating the volume of a cube. And remember, the cube is a rectangular prism. For these prisms, we start with the most basic formula for a prism. Volume equals big B times H. We need to consider the base shape. And if you look at the base face, you see that it's a square. And keep in mind, squares are rectangles by definition. So for this base face, we could use length times width and substitute that in for our big B. So yes, you could use this formula. Volume equals length times width times height. But since all the side lengths are the same, you will quite often see a specific formula for the cube. And it looks like this. Volume equals S for side times S for side times S. Or, as the worksheet has it listed, volume equals S cubed. So a variety of formulas will work. Basically, they're all the same thing. Let's begin. Now that our formula has been written down, step 2, let's substitute. We see that the side is 19 meters times 19 times 19. Take a moment and calculate the volume of the first cube you've been given. You should have gotten 6,859 meters cubed, or cubic meters. So, complete this worksheet on your own. Start by writing either this formula or this formula, your choice. I'll do length times width times height. Substitute for the length, the width, and the height, which is easy because they're all the same when it comes to a cube. Calculate your volume and make sure you label your final answer in cubic units. Pause the video, complete the calculations for this page, and when you're ready, check your work against the answer key. Once again, make sure you show all 3 steps as you complete your work. Please pause the video now. Check your work against the answer key. If your answer is correct, give yourself a C or a star. If your answer is incorrect, draw a line through that answer. Take a moment and correct your work. This concludes the video for page 9 on calculating volume of a cube.